Hello and welcome back to another video. First appointment's at noon today, so I've had a very chill morning. And actually, like, basically all of my appointments for this week either start at noon or 11:30, so I'm like having a very luxe, relaxed week this week. I got some new stuff, which is really just not old stuff, Restock stuff from the gel ball, so I gotta unpack that. Not too much going on. Last night I went to a YSL beauty event, which was fun. Pat and I attended. But yeah, got a big week of Valentine's Day nails, which was super fun. So looking forward to doing that and using all my new cutie charms. Just finished up my first client of the day. The little bubble nails. Are you kidding me? They are so cute. Those were really fun too. And my client was just starting her builder journey, so we love that. I am quite hungry, so I'm gonna make a bowl of noodles. A cup of noodles, bowl of noodles. Noodles. Mr. Noodles. I've just arrived at the studio, obviously, as you can see, and I have 2 appointments today. I did a workout this morning, and my legs don't feel like moving anymore. Ooh, sorry about that. I have like a half an hour until my client gets here because I was extremely prepared last night and set everything up perfectly, so I just waltzed in here. I could take the garbage out, but I was gonna do that tonight. There's no point in using my legs more than they're willing. I do need to drop a few sets for clients, and then also I need to drop my own Valentine's Day set, which I think I'm gonna do an Esther the Bunny set, because I saw an Esther the Bunny set done by Hi Nail, and it was so cute, and now I've been thinking about it nonstop. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna do Gel-X extensions, and I'm going to do solid nail glue. And that's not happening today, that's not happening tomorrow, but it's happening Sunday during the Rihanna concert. I'm gonna be watching the Rihanna concert and doing my nails. And by Rihanna concert, I mean the Super Bowl, but let's be real with everyone. We're all just there for Rihanna. Anyways, I'm gonna start designing my set now. Pop on my iPad, maybe go snuggle up in my chair in my little office. Okay, so I just finished my first appointment, and I just finished with a very spicy noodle cup. My lips are on fire, so I had a rice pudding cup to combat it, but I still feel like my mouth is on fire. Anyways, I'm in one of those moods where I have like 70,000 things that I want to do, but can't commit to doing any of them. It's driving me nuts. I think I'm just gonna go draw up my own set of nails. I'm not even gonna open, I have like messages and stuff that I have to get back to, emails. I'm not even gonna open them just yet. I'm gonna just sit there and drop my own nails for a little while before my next appointment. I don't know why I'm whispering. Hello, welcome back. Why am I welcoming you back? It's not the start of a video, it's midweek. I'm just making a coffee. Yeah, the buzzer to my studio to get in is broken, so now I have to manually run out into the cold in my bare legs and let everyone in today. I did not dress appropriately to be running outside multiple times today, but that's what it is, so we're gonna roll with it. I did a bike ride again this morning, so I'm feeling a little bit tired. I'm just like a little bit tired in general this week, so not too much exciting content coming from me. My apologies. Although I did, a while ago, Vanessa and I went to Claw and Kitty, and it was the best experience of my life. And I've been searching for my bag of prizes, and I thought Pat had donated them, honestly. That's what I had in my mind, but of course I found them, they were in my kitchen. So I brought them to the studio. I had to find little homes for all of them. I'll show you what I have. So we have this super cute Kuromi. Somebody needs to live on a shelf here. Got that one. And then I've also got this one. And then I got this Kirby. And this Kirby has a window thing, so maybe I'll hang it from a window. Maybe one of those windows. Is that weird? Let's do it. Let's see. They'll probably fall. Oh, yep. There's Kirby on the ground now. Okay, I'll do that later maybe. So cute. And then I just have a couple of keychains too. Hey, you strawberry. And another little Chromie. Literally, all the Chromies were so cute. I got another Chromie keychain, which I was using. Literally, look at this stash of Chromies and cute things. So yeah, so now I need to find somewhere for all of these. So I have a client coming in now, and she wants like a light pink chrome, and I'm just realizing I have one, but it's not swatched out. So I just want to make sure, because I tried it on, I was doing my friend's nails, and I tried to use it on her thinking that it was just like a regular pink chrome, and I put it over black and it came out yellow. So I'm gonna quickly swatch this. Just finished my final client of the day. It was a mystery mani and it turned out so cute. So I'm just looking at my headphones so I can listen to an audiobook while I clean. And then I'm headed home for the day. And then tomorrow I have 2 clients and then I'm doing my own nails. I think I already told you that. This is rare, so let's enjoy it. A little stream of sunlight coming into my studio. How lovely. Good morning. It is 9:30-ish. It might be earlier. I'm just getting in. I have my first client today, Charlotte, whose nails you would have seen by now. I did a full video on those. They were the nude and chrome set. And like I mentioned in that video, she was only having those nails on for a week because she's an RMT and she's on vacay. So she's coming in at 10. We're removing them and just slacking some regular gel on there so she can use her hands. And then I have another client of mine in this afternoon for a fun little V-Day set, and then I'm doing my own nails, which I'm excited and nervous for because I'm doing character art and never done that before. So I'm just gonna get all set up and ready. Maybe have another coffee, although I just had one of Pat's smoothies, so I'm so full. my work week, which is exciting. And tomorrow's my weekend and it's Valentine's Day and it's also my 10-year anniversary with Pat, so that's also very fun. We have lots of plans for tomorrow. But I was here, I'm so tired today. I was here last night doing my nails till like 12:30 at night. I used the McCart solid glue to apply these tips because I thought it was going to be easier, which I believe I mentioned. It was not easier. My nails took me like 7 hours to do. Maybe 7.5, because yeah, I was basically fighting with that stuff the whole time, and like the fit of these nails now are not very good. Like I chose sizes that like fit my nails well, but I also used a sculpted set, so there's a bit of extra room in the nails for the solid glue. And yeah, we've definitely got some gaps at the side, so I won't be using that again. Try to save myself some time, cost myself hours of extra time. So I just finished up with my last client and I checked my phone and I had 3 missed calls from my brother, which a little stressful. So I called him back and he didn't pick up, and then my mom called me back, or I texted him, didn't hear back, and my mom called me kind of at the same time, and my sister-in-law's in labor, so my little nephew is coming soon. I'm so excited. He wasn't due until beginning of March, and it's February 13th. Yeah, so I'm very excited. So I'm just like gleefully cleaning right now, waiting to hear back from my brother, hoping to hear from him soon on updates of the baby. I'm gonna be an auntie again. All cleaned up now, and I'm going home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.